how is PSYCH-K different from other modalities? PSYCH-K is easy to learn. In 3 days, you can learn what is necessary to generate significant changes in your life. PSYCH-K is easy to use and highly effective. Each process, called the balance, can be done in a few minutes, creating evident, sustainable changes over time. PSYCH-K is deeply safe and respectful. Everything in PSYCH-K is based on your own inner wisdom and your own ability for transformation, rather than on the facilitator's ability. There is a permission protocol to allow your higher self to be the guide of what is safe and appropriate in the context of your evolutionary journey. PSYCH-K is essentially spiritual. The goal is to help you remember your inner power and your true divine essence as a spiritual being having a temporary human experience. Wonderful side effects might manifest at all other levels.